popular name table is a search tool to identify code sections by the commonly known name of the legislation, for example, the Americans with Disabilities Act. This video will demonstrate how to locate the PNT for the United States Code on both Westlaw and Lexis. Starting from the Westlaw homepage, I can either call up the source in the global search bar or navigate the pre-search filters for the USCA. I will call up the USCA in the global search bar. And go directly to the landing page from there. In the Tools and Resources menu, the link to the popular name table is the third link in the box. I can navigate the PNT or search in the same manner as an index, either by browsing the alphabetical list of acts or with a keyword search, which is now limited only to the PNT. So for example here, if I navigate to A in the alpha list and then scroll down, I will find the Americans with Disabilities Act under both ADA and Americans with Disabilities. In the table on the next page, I find really useful information about the legislation, including the public law number, the date it was enacted, a list of sections from the public law corresponding to the sections in the USCA, and at the bottom of the page, there's a history of the amendments. If your starting point for your research is the popular name of legislation, this search tool can advance your research by connecting you to specific sections in both the public law and the code in one place. On Lexis, a PNT is available for the USCS, but not the West Virginia Code. To find the PNT on Lexis, you can either call it up in the global search bar directly or navigate the pre-search filters. I'll show you the search bar first. So here you will need to use popular name table in the global search bar specifically. And you can see that pop up under sources below. To navigate to the PNT using filters, I will choose Statutes and Legislation under the Content tab. And under the header Federal and Tribal, I will choose Federal. And finally, I find both the USCS and the corresponding popular name table. From here, you can browse the table as you would a table of contents by clicking through to the Americans with Disabilities Act under A. I see that the table here is formatted differently than on Westlaw. It is organized by the dates of the amendments and does not break down the public law section by section, but it does provide links to the public laws themselves and the code sections where the ADA was codified. Continue to use this video as a reference when performing searches of the popular names tables in Westlaw and Lexis, and check in with your legal research instructor with questions.